It's MagicBand Plus time. Mr. Cheesy Pop! Hey everyone, it's Max. This video is going to be all about MagicBand Plus. I just got to Disney World and I'm about to buy this because it's adorable and I want to show you guys what this thing does. So let's go find out. I gotta go buy this thing first. Alright, so I've bought it and now it's time to link it. So you just hold the MagicBand up to your phone and boom, it recognizes it. Now the next thing you have to do is pair it using your Bluetooth, and it's a really simple process. It takes you right through all the instructions on the screen. Pairing is complete. Then you'll just update the MagicBand, and there it is in your account. I'm going to go try this MagicBand Plus for the first time. We're gonna go see what happens at one of these gold statues. Okay. Hello? It's doing... Alright! He didn't speak, but it played music. What was that? Do it again?
Well, that might be it.
Oh! Oh, okay. All right, we get tuned.
Yeah, it's the
Oh wait, let's do Olaf. Let's do Olaf! Hi, Olaf.
Hey, we were just talking about you. All good things, all good things.
Okay, that's really cute. Does it do multiple ones? Come on. Maybe you have to give it a little time. Come on. Come on. Oh. That was the same music that happened over there. Wait a minute. Okay, let's see what goes on over here. Miguel? It vibrated. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Hello. Hey! That's cool. That's really cute. Next up is Figment. All right, let's see what happens here. All right. Oh, look, they have a thing here. All right. All right, Figment. Oh. He doesn't talk, though. You should talk. Kind of ridiculous that Figment doesn't talk. There should be a specific character voice for each statue, don't you think? This is really weird. I just walked by Figment right over here, and my thing just like vibrated. So it does know when you're like right near a statue, but then it doesn't do... Oh, there it goes. See, that was me that did it. But he doesn't talk or anything. So this is what it looks like when you collect Figment in the Disney Play app. So you just collect a character, you find a wall, and you get this cute little animation that pops up in your app. Let's try Pua and Hey Hey here. Hey! It's vibrating, but they're not saying anything. Oh! It's that song again! What is going on with the one song that they've chosen for all of these statues? I'm very confused by it. Like, Olaf spoke, but then we have this, like, generic, like, Disney song that we're playing for you, you know? Like, They should have had that ready to roll out with all the characters' voices. Anyway, let's play Batuu Bounty Hunters. I'm here, Galaxy's Edge time, to play Batuu Bounty Hunters. Now it's time to play Star Wars Batuu Bounty Hunters. For this, you need to open up your Play Disney app, and it's going to take you through a series of instructions on how to actually play the game, how to get your target, how to track your target. You're going to want to follow the green, and when it turns red, that's not good. Green means you're close to getting your target. You'll collect credits, and then the idea is, once you've located all of the targets, you get to be invited to join the Guild of Bounty Hunters. Now I'm trying to find the location where I'm supposed to scan my thingy to play this. There it is. Okay, it's over here. Okay. Now the screen's set. We tap it here. Didn't work. Sending data to your band. I don't know. There we go. That's what I gotta get. Okay. So it says that the lights on my band will be green when I'm close to the target. So basically, oh my gosh, the thunder. So basically, if it's green, it means I'm going in the right direction. But if it's red, I'm going in the wrong direction. So it's still green. So I guess this is right. Well, this is weird. I'm just like aimlessly searching for that guy. How do I know where to go? I'm just going. Okay. Oh, now it's red. Okay, so that was interesting. It just turned red. So obviously, that's not right. But now it's green. Okay. But how do I know? Like, how do I know? Is it gonna do something? I have no clue. I gotta look at the app again. Because you use this with the Play Disney app, obviously. Well, I have no idea. I mean, I'm just... it's still green. It's really green in here. So... Okay, this is just... This is really, really funny. This is a really... See, this is how you use the MagicBand Plus in a really fun, interactive way. Oh, it's red again. So that means... Let's watch it turn green because... I see people playing it. Okay, it turned green here, which means that it's somewhere between... But where? Like, I literally could be doing this all day. They wouldn't put them in the restroom. Like, how close do you have to get to the thing for it to be like purple, you know? I'm really confused. Now it's red. Okay, so that means that it's in here somewhere. Because I left there and it... Yeah. Oh, no. Okay, so now it's red again. Now it's going to be green. Okay. When is it going to get purple? So confused. So this thing is still green and now I'm down here. This is like too wide of a radius to search. Oh, what is this? What color is that? Purple. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, let's check the app. All right, so you open up your app, you scan it at the door, and there you go. We got our target. Now, it's going to give us some instructions on how to collect your credits, so we're going to head back there now. As you saw, I got it. Now you're supposed to just go collect your credits, so let's go do that before I get drenched. It's coming.
I see you found the first bounty. Not bad. But you'll need to collect a lot more to join the Bounty Hunters Guild. Here are your credits.
Well, that was fun. And now it's time to run in the rain. Nothing like a Disney World thunderstorm, people. Okay, that's actually cool. I can't play the rest of this because the weather and it's just going to take forever. So you guys just have to deal with that. That's enough though. But that's how you play it. That's actually a fun usage of the game. Fun usage of the app. That's what, the band. So, you gonna work? No? Alright, Joe, let's see what you got. Anything? Come on. Hello? No. I'll tell you. Sometimes it works, sometimes it just doesn't. Hello? Anything? I swear, I was doing it. It was working fine. Hello, Joe? Nothing. That's crazy. So Joe actually does something cool. Okay, that's good. The battery life on these are terrible. Like, I don't know what it's doing. It's like searching. The Star Wars Batuu Bounty Hunter game killed this. This was supposed to be fully charged when you buy it. What? Wow. I looked it up in the app and it said battery low. Crazy. All right. So I'm back in my room. This thing does not last long. I didn't even play a full game of the Batuu Bounty Hunters, and man, this thing just died. But so you got to charge it up. They give you this. It's included, so you can just charge it in your hotel room right here. I guess it's charging. I don't know. Yeah. All right, I'm here at Animal Kingdom. Let's go see the MagicBand Plus options here. They have a bunch of different statues, so let's go check them out. Okay, let's try it. Hey! Okay. I heard like tweeting and forest sounds and birds and okay, that's cool. That's different. Oh, okay. Now we got music.
It was like a different tune. Maybe this is the Animal Kingdom tune.
Let me do it again. All right, whatever. This thing is vibrating. I don't know what I walked past. Let's see what's going on over here. Hi. Come on, Timon and Pumbaa, you got this. There we go. Is that it? Or do we have more? Excellent. Okay, that is what you... That's cute. Well, thanks, guys. That was great. A good show. So what we've seen here at Animal Kingdom is that they have been very specialized to the character. Yay, good. This is what we want. Now we're gonna go over to Dory and Nemo. Hi, guys. Hello. You have to get really close. Oh! Oh, that's cool. Okay, that was just a... But I think they do say something else.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
Oh, that's cool.
You know, I think I'm gonna remember you.
Oh, thanks, Dory. Animal Kingdom is definitely got it together with these. So I heard actually 3 different Dory things right there. Very good. Very, very, very good. Okay, I like that. It's Harmonious time. How does the MagicBand Plus work with Harmonious? It just did something. All right, let's find out. Oh! All right, so we have Moana music and it's doing blue. Hey! I couldn't show you what I just showed on Instagram because of the copyright music, but it did some cool stuff on Go the Distance there. So that's neat. But it vibrates a little bit when big things happen. See, like, look at this. This is pretty cool. It's like Glow with the Show. There you go. There you go. See, it shuts off when the music does stop. And the music picks up again and it goes. It's pretty cool. Okay, so it basically is very similar to Glow with the Show technology that they've had for a while, but now you can, you know, wear it on your wrist. That's cool. I mean, it lit up, it worked during the whole show, so that was cool. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. A fun little addition, for sure. Hi. Alright. You just play random music. Hey, Olaf. No? Hi. Okay. I don't know why my MagicBand Plus was activating as I got off of the Frozen ride, but it was. Maybe because of the music? No, it's not. So maybe it had something to do with the music. That's gonna do it for the MagicBand Plus video. Ah, Rocket, no? So what have we learned? I think the Batuu Bounty Hunter game is really neat. These just need to be charged a lot to play anything. I think the characters in general, some are really, really fun and have, like, there are voices and they talk. Others just play a random generic song, which is kind of odd. So I feel like every single character should speak to you. Olaf was one of the ones that did. So overall, and you know, we did it with Harmonious, and it's good. But again, it's nothing like crazy. Hi, Olaf. Here I am waving like, oh, it's vibrating. And yet he's not saying anything. Hi.
Almost lost my balance.
Great. I think that's a good way to end this video. It's a very cute product. I think kids will obviously love it. And the Batuu game is really fun. But, you know, it's another gimmick. And I saw lots of people buying these things. Disney gonna be very happy. Right, Olaf? Alright, I'm gonna go. Do you have a MagicBand Plus? What do you think so far, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, check out my Patreon page. Have a magical day, everybody. Bye. Bye, Olaf. I'm too far away now.